does Premiere Pro come with transitions? Well, it does, but it's not going to be like, too much complex of a transition. It's just basic. Just click on window at the top, and inside here, you will see the effect option. Click on it. If it is tick marked, that means you're good. If it is not, just click on it. And once the tick mark appears, this effect panel will appear on your screen. Now, it might not appear at the top right corner as it's appearing on my screen. It might be on different, but doesn't matter. Once you see effect, you want to open the search icon. Over here on search, just search for dissolve. So this under dissolve, you will see all this option. So these are some of the transition. So you can drag it and drop it right between the two clips which has the cut, and you can select how long you want the transition to be by dragging it like this. Now there are tons of dissolve. The next thing is just search for WIPE wipe, and you will see all these different kinds of wipe available to you. You can also drag it and drop it in the middle and customize it depending on how you want it. So these are the basic transition available on Premiere Pro by default. Now you can download or add custom presets as well. It's up to you. So that's how you guys can come or add transition on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.